So today we're starting our unit on fractions. And remember, a fraction is part of a whole. So it's a smaller part of a whole object. We're going to start by asking our essential question. Why do you need to know how to make equal shares? It's kind of like what we did in division, only this time we're dividing one object into lots of little pieces. So why do we need to know how to make equal shares? Well, let's answer that question by looking at a problem. We're going to unlock this problem. First, we're going to read it to make sure we understand all the words. Then we're going to read it to make sure we understand what it's asking us. We have over here a little blue box that's asking a question to make us think. It says, how might the two ways be different? So let's look at this. It says, 4 friends share 2 small pizzas equally. What are 2 ways the pizza could be divided equally? How much pizza will each friend get? Okay, I understood all the words. So now let's make sure we understand what it's asking. It says 4 friends share 2 small pizzas equally. What are 2 ways, 2 ways, the pizza could be divided equally? How much pizza will each friend get? So 2 ways to divide it equally, and how much will each friend get? We have 2 different things we're looking for. So a whole is all of the parts of one shape or group. Equal parts are exactly the same size. So just like when we're dividing things into equal groups, like 6 divided by 2 equals 3, because I can divide that 3 and 3 are equal. We need to do the same thing with shapes or with numbers to find equal groups in a fraction. So first we're going to draw to model the problem. One way. Draw 2 circles to show the pizzas, because remember I have 2 small pizzas, right? There are how many friends? Well, there are 4 friends. So we have our 2 circles, and we're going to cut each circle into 4 slices, because we have 4 friends, right? So there are blank equal parts in each pizza. There are 4 equal parts in each pizza. So how many does each friend get? Or what are the 2 ways the pizza could be divided equally? Well, we can divide it equally into slices of 4, right? And then how much pizza will each friend get? So each friend can have 2 equal parts. Each friend will get 2/4 of a pizza. So if I have 4 friends, I could do, one friend, well, that's 2 slices. So I could always just go ahead and shade in 2 slices. That's how much each person would get. So they get 2/4 of the pizza, right? Because I have 4 friends and they each get 2 slices. Here's another way. There are 4 friends. Cut each pizza into 2 slices. There are blank equal parts in each pizza. There's 2 equal parts. I have 1 part here and 1 part here. So each friend can have 1 equal part in this scenario, right? See how this and this are the same? But in this one, I just cut it in half again, so they get 2. In this one, they get 1/2. So each friend can have 1 equal part. Each friend will get 1/2 of a pizza. So each pizza has 2 equal parts. So each friend gets 1/2 of a pizza. Okay, this is one way to show equal parts or equal shares with an object. So how might the 2 ways be different? Well, in one of them, we did fourths. They get 2/4. And in the other one, they get half, right? On this one, they got 2/4 because I divided it into 4 pieces. And on this one, they get 1/2 or 1 out of 2 because it's divided into 2 pieces. So that's how it's different. We just cut the pieces smaller on this pizza. So that's one way that we can show equal shares. Really, 2 ways we can show equal shares. So explain why both ways let the friends have an equal share. Well, I just did that. On this one and this one, they're still getting the same amount of the pizza, but on this one, we cut it into a smaller chunk. That's all. So instead of getting 1, they now get 2. Okay, so this is showing equal shares. Go ahead and watch the video on the next page to see how this works some more.